Massachusetts State Police Sergeant Yuri Buchanek testified Thursday in the high-profile retrial of Karen Redd, vigorously defending the integrity of an investigation led by disgraced former trooper Michael Proctor, who faces accusations of bias and misconduct in the 2022 death of John O'Keefe. Under cross-examination by defense attorney Alan Jackson, Buchanek insisted Proctor's work on the case was conducted with honor and integrity, despite revelations of Proctor's vulgar texts about Redd, which led to his firing and a disciplinary suspension for Buchanek. The evidence pointed in one direction only, Buchanek asserted, rejecting claims of compromised objectivity. Jackson challenged Buchanek on oversight failures, noting state police disciplined him for inadequately supervising Proctor. While Buchanek conceded improper supervision could introduce errors, he maintained biases did not influence the probe. Human beings all have biases, but they did not affect this investigation, he stated. The defense highlighted delays in documenting evidence searches at the Canton home, where O'Keefe, a Boston police officer and Reed's boyfriend, was found unresponsive in a snowbank. Buchanek acknowledged reports for February 3-10, 2022. Searches weren't filed until 17 months later, but emphasized evidence was logged in real time. Buchanek testified he observed the missing taillight piece hours after O'Keefe's death and said Reed told investigators, "I don't know how I did it last night." The defense contends Reed is being framed to protect the homeowner's family, alleging O'Keefe was beaten inside and abandoned outside. Jackson questioned why Buchanek didn't secure the home as a crime scene or probe potential conflicts with Canton police, whose ex-chief flagged evidence while driving past the property. Jurors viewed ring camera footage showing Reed's damaged taillight at 5:07 a.m. on January 29, 2022. However, Buchanek noted no footage captured Reed's departure from O'Keefe's home earlier that night. The defense also scrutinized a Google search for "Hose Long to Die in Cold," made by homeowner Brian Albert's sister-in-law, Jennifer McCabe. Buchanek addressed Proctor's August 2022 text mocking Reed's attorney and complaining about finding no nudes on her phone, admitting he responded with a thumbs-up emoji, but claiming he hadn't fully read the message. The trial, Reed's second after a mistrial last summer, also revisited forensic disputes. A prosecution digital expert acknowledged O'Keefe's phone wasn't stored in a signal-blocking Faraday bag, potentially risking data compromise. Testimony resumes Friday,